Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topic what we are going to cover in this session, that is display opportunity using Visualforce. Create a Visualforce page that displays all the opportunity records. To create a Visualforce page that displays opportunity records, we can use Salesforce Standard Controller, which makes it simple to fetch and display data without needing custom Apex code. So we can do this scenario by both the ways, either with using a standard controller and record set where, or we are using controller with Apex code. So the explanation of the particular code. So first, in the Apex page tag, we are using a standard controller equals opportunity. This binds the Visualforce page to the opportunity object and provides automatic handling of the basic opportunity data operations. Next, we are using record set where equals opportunities. This allows us to fetch and display a list of opportunity records. Next, we are using Apex page block. This organizes the content into a page block structure, giving it a clear, consistent layout. Next, we are using Apex page block table. Value equals opportunities. So this would be in this format only. This binds the list of opportunities to the table. Then we are creating variable equals OPP. Each record is temporarily stored in the OPP variable during iteration. Next, we are using columns. Apex column defines the columns of the table. Each column corresponds to a specific field of the opportunity object like stage name, amount, close date, and account name. Opportunity name. The name of the opportunity is clickable and links to that opportunity's detail page. Other columns like stage name, amount, close date, and account name show respective data for each opportunity record. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. And to create the Visualforce page, we need to click on Setup Gear icon, Developer Console, right click and open link in new tab. So to create the Visualforce page, click on File, New, Visualforce page. Here I am creating the page by the name Visualforce Opportunity. Click OK. So in this Visualforce page, first we are using a standard controller opportunity and record set where opportunities to fetch the opportunities record. Then in Apex page block title we are putting opportunity list. In Apex page block table value opportunities, and we are creating the variable OPP. And Apex column header value we are providing opportunity name, and in the Apex output link value we are providing opp.id. In this format we have to provide opportunity name. This variable means opportunity name. Then we are closing the output link and closing this particular column. Then in the next column we are providing opportunity.stage name and header value is stage. Same with opportunity amount, opportunity close date, opportunity account name, and closing the tags accordingly. Apex page block table, Apex page block, Apex. Save this Visualforce page and click on preview button. So as we had given the opportunity list as a title, it is displaying over here. Then we had taken opportunity name, stage, amount, close date, and respected account name for this opportunity. One more thing, we are able to see that this opportunity name is clickable as we had taken the output link for this opportunity name. So by this it is clickable. So if I am clicking on this particular opportunity name, it is redirecting to the detail page of that particular opportunity. So this is the opportunity and we have to click on detail page to see all the details of this opportunity. Like this we are displaying the opportunity data without writing the Apex code.